Alright, they got a nice bucket. I'm being silly. Alright, this is how you're going to get ice from a vending machine. Here, get your ice bucket. And you're going to put it in here. Here's exercise. And you do one finger. Not two, not three, not four. Nah. There's just so much there. And it's green too. Oh, that's kind of nice. And that's how you get ice. Okay, let's go back to the room. Cameron. Cameron. No problem. I hope they're okay. Okay, let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 steps to the door from the ice machine. How hard and difficult is that, Max?